really dark here. I hope I get this job done soon. Hello? Who's there? Whoa! It's a ghost engine! It's come to get me! Ah! I seen a ghost.
I know you saw a ghost, Hatchet, but that wasn't just any ghost. That was the ghost of Engine 72.
Aiden? Who's Engine 72?
Engine 72 is a 260 Mogul locomotive from Baldwin. He was brought to the Clinchfield Highland Valley Railroad to help with the workload, but he was very rude and arrogant and mean. He never listened to any other engine's advice. Until one day, he was assigned to take a train of gunpowder and dynamite to Deer Valley Mine. But he was rough with the freight cars, and when he got to the mines, he bumped the freight car so hard that he exploded along with the train. This caused a chain reaction to the train, setting off the dynamite to explode, causing the engine to get caught in the explosion.
So he used to work here?
Exactly, Hatchet. And it is said that on every single night, Engine 72 haunts the Clinchfield Highland Valley Railroad and Deer Valley Mine, looking for another engine to scare for his next victim.
And was that Engine 72?
The engine that you described to me last night you saw, Hatchet? Yes, that was him.
I hope you'll find peace and move on.
I hope so too, Hatchet. I hope so too.